We've done BODMAS previously with whole numbers, and now we're going to apply it to the idea of fractions. So with this, we just need to understand its order of operations. So we do things in the order that the acronym tells us. So we know it's going to be brackets, orders, which are things like powers, indices, square root, those sorts of things, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So we look at this question here and we see that it's 3 plus 2/5 times 1/2. So the multiplication comes first in our BODMAS, so we need to do this part first. So it becomes 3 plus, and we work this question out here, okay, 2/5 times 1/2, which we can cancel those 2's, and it becomes 1 times 1 is 1, over 1 times 5 is 5. So 3 plus 1/5 is the next step, and that just becomes 3 and 1/5. Okay, so if we look now, we can see in this question here, we have 6/7 multiplied by, in brackets, 1 2/3 plus 1/4, take away 3/7. So according to our BODMAS, we need to do the brackets first, we need to do this addition first. So what we can do here is find a common denominator. So it'll be times by 4 and times by 3, and that will give us this common denominator of, we'll rewrite the second line. So it's 1 and 8 over 12 plus 3 over 12, take away 3 over 7. So this becomes 6/7 multiplied by 1 and 11/12, take away 3/7. So that's the first step of our question. The second step, we have a multiplication and a division, and a subtraction. So the multiplication comes first. We need to get rid of this mixed number in order to do that multiplication, okay? So this becomes 6 over 7 multiplied by 23 over 12, and we can cancel that 1 and that 12. Okay, so that then equals 23 over 14, take away 3/7. And we can see then the connection here between the 23 over 14 and take away 3/7. Okay, so we would then multiply that by 2 and that by 2, and that will give us 23 over 14, take away 6. Okay, so that becomes 6 and that becomes 14. So 23 take away 6 is 17 over 14. Okay, and then we could simplify that as 1 and 3/14. Okay.